Welcome to our analysis of pumpfun, commonly known as pump. Pump is a progressive deflationary token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's designed to become scarcer over time as all transactions on the network incur a 1% burn rate. This means that with every transaction, the total supply of pump decreases, potentially increasing the value of remaining tokens. Pump.fun boasts several key features. Firstly, its deflationary nature makes it unique. The 1% burn rate on each transaction gradually reduces the total supply, creating scarcity. Secondly, Pump operates on the Binance Smart Chain, ensuring fast and cheap transactions. Lastly, Pump has a robust and transparent smart contract, ensuring the safety and security of all transactions. The price of pump varies based on market conditions, given it's a cryptocurrency. It's important to note that the token's deflationary nature could impact its price. As the supply decreases due to the burn mechanism, the price could potentially increase if demand remains steady or grows. However, remember that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile and unpredictable. Pump.fun is ideal for those interested in a deflationary cryptocurrency. The 1% burn rate on transactions can make Pump a potentially rewarding long-term investment. It's also suitable for those who value the speed and affordability of the Binance Smart Chain. Lastly, Pump is ideal for those who appreciate the security offered by a robust and transparent smart contract. Pump.fun offers several advantages. Its deflationary nature can potentially increase the value of remaining tokens over time. The use of the Binance Smart Chain allows for fast and affordable transactions. And the transparent smart contract provides a layer of security, ensuring that all transactions are verifiable and secure. Despite its advantages, Pump.fun has some limitations. The deflationary nature, while potentially beneficial, could also lead to price volatility. Also, it operates on the Binance Smart Chain, which, while fast and cheap, might not be as widely adopted as other chains like Ethereum. Lastly, being a relatively new token, it lacks the proven track record of more established coins. In conclusion, Pump.fun is an interesting deflationary token with potential for value appreciation due to its burn mechanism. It benefits from the Binance Smart Chain's speed and affordability and provides security through its smart contract. However, its price can be volatile, and it operates on a less widely adopted blockchain. Thank you for watching this analysis of Pump.fun. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency analysis. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies involves risk, so always do your research and invest wisely.